Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some of the biggest hiring from various company and especially for 2026 pass out and 2025 pass out. So if you are the fresher looking for job opportunity, then must apply for this. That is Cloud Kaptan, and the job location will be at Kolkata, and they are hiring for the role of software development apprentice 2026 fresher. So they are hiring for the various roles. First is the full stack development, then Salesforce platform development, AWS cloud engineering, data engineering and business intelligence, and AI and emerging technology. So if you are 2026 pass out either from BTech or MCA, then you are here for this wonderful opportunity, and this gonna biggest hiring of this year too. So if you want to apply, must apply. There are some important things they have mentioned, that you should have knowledge of data structure and DBMS. I have already uploaded the video of related to Cloud Kaptan about the coding questions they are asking and all those. Earlier also they have announced the hiring for 2025 pass out. So now this is for 2026 pass outs, must apply for that, and there will be 3 to 4 rounds around with there, and first round will be like a technical, and this will be a complex round for both technical as well as you can say the online assessment. Okay, so make sure to go this and focus on the DSA part, that will play a critical role in your selection. So for that you should have knowledge of SQL, and other tech skills are required like React, Node.js, and CSE, IT, EC. These three branches are legal only, and MCA are legal. You should have minimum 7 CGPA in graduate till date and no active backlog. Means if you are currently at 8th semester, then till 7th semester you should have 7 CGPA. And what are the process? First of all, there will be online aptitude test, then online coding assessment, which will be very hard, I can say. The main thing is time management you have to do. So I'll make a dedicated video. If you need preparation video, you can just comment here. I'll provide complete that. So salary you can get 6 LP upon successful completion of apprenticeship, and that is 15,000 per month. आपको 6 month में काम करना होगा. So if you are comfortable, you can apply. Moving to next important opportunity, that is from the KPMG. They are hiring any graduates. If you are proficient in MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, then you can apply for this. Remember, this is a kind of non-tech profile, and this is an internship opportunity. So if you want, you can apply. And the candidates from the Trichy area, Tri-City area like Chandigarh, Mohali, and Panchkula will be preferred. So if you are nearest, they must apply with updated resume. Next, and this one the biggest hiring from the Amazon, and they are hiring for the role of investigation specialist, SCPO role. And again, this is not a, you can say, a development profile, but yeah, this will be a kind of e-commerce profile. Okay, so if you are interested, you can apply directly from the AQO job profile job, and these are the some of the candidates experience they have shared. So these are the some wonderful opportunity. Don't miss this. And last important, just a reminder for that, if you haven't applied for ASC role, assistant associate system engineer at IBM, must apply for this. Especially if you are 2024 and 2025 pass out from BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MSc background. Okay, so these are the some important opportunity I want to share. Hope video informative to you friends. If you have been selected for TCS interview and want to schedule a mock interview with us, then you can fill in the form in the description. And कोई भी query है, feel free to ask here. We can connect on LinkedIn or Insta, whatever platform you are comfortable with. You can ask your query. मिलते हैं next important update में. Thank you.